It's not over till it's all been said. It's not over till you're dying. So what do you want them to say when you're gone? That you gave up or that you keep going on? What do you do when the chapter ends? Do you close the book, never read it again? Where do you go when your story's done? You can be who you were or who you become. Cause if the whole world was watching, I'd still dance with you. Drive highways and byways to be there with you. Everything comes back to